Okay, let's finish this one up. You would have y equals the center line, which is -4. And since it's a cosine function, you'd say plus, and it gives you the amplitude 6 cosine. And then you do your period number, which is always 360 over, so 360 over 240, which would be 3/2, right? So it would be 3/2 x minus, and if it shifted to the left, it'd be x plus 110. Because when you're shifting to the negative side, this is always x minus the phase angle. So the phase angle here is -110. So that's how you would write that. 25, multiply. So you do like you did number, the opposite of what you've done for number 11. What you would do is you multiply the numbers, so you have 12 cis, and then you add those two fractions, and you have 5, get common denominators, so 9 pi over 6, right? 9 pi over 6, which reduced is 12 cis 3/2 pi. Well, 3 pi over 2, you want to express the answer in rectangular form, so you would just say 12 times the cosine of 3 pi over 2. Now, do you remember what 3 pi over 2 is? It's very important that you memorize your radian measure of all of your angles. Well, anything over 2, of course, is a 90-degree angle, okay? So 3 pi over 2 would be 270. So 12 times the cosine of 270, well, 270 is down here. So basically the cosine is 0. So it would be 0 plus, now the sine of 270 is -1, so -12i. So basically your answer is just -12i. Okay? So you would do 12 times the cosine of 3/2 pi, 12 times the sine of 3/2 pi. Solve the following equations. Okay, these a lot of students have difficulty with. Just remember that if your domain is in radians, you have to do the work in radians. Don't do it in degrees, then change it to radians. Start out with radians, do all your division with radians. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Root of 3 cosine x equals, and these markers are not doing well. Well, I just move it over, okay? So move over, so it would be 2 minus cosine squared x, okay? Because I can just move it. Now square both sides, so I have 3